How to fix Bluetooth not working after Android update. Firstly, give your device a quick restart. Sometimes minor issues like this can be fixed with a simple restart. Slide down the notification bar and go to Bluetooth. Now try turning off and on the option several times. This will refresh Bluetooth and make it work. Go back and turn on airplane mode. Sometimes turning on and off airplane mode helps refresh the system. Once these steps are followed, go back to your home page. If energy saver or power saving is turned on your device, then turn it off. Sometimes battery saver restricts background processes like Bluetooth. And when that happens, then the download is not proceeded properly. If the issue is not fixed yet, try to boot into safe mode. To do so, long press on the power button, then long tap on power off. After that, select the option safe mode. My recording keeps stopping, so that's why I'm not able to show this step. Now test Bluetooth in safe mode. If it works here, then a third-party app may be causing the issue. That's all for today. Thank you.